And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can create a video in video effect. It's this typical YouTube commentary or streaming effect. We have two clips. One is for the background, the other one is just a woman talking. And we want to put them both in our final footage. Just drag, in this case, the landscape footage in the first video channel and then the talking footage on top. They have different sizes and different durations. You can adjust that in the timeline by hovering over the end, left click drag. Then activate the top one, the talking clip. So it has to be highlighted in the timeline. I use the default layout, and then you will find the basic option right here, and you can scale it down with the slider. There's also a position adjustment below, but you can simply click on your preview window and then drag it to the bottom right like this. Let me roll the clip and you can see this is now a video in video. If it's too big for your taste, just go back to basic and adjust it via scale. And this is how you can create a video in video effect in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.